guys, it's Jackie, and I am here with a lovely rainbow look. I really wanted to try to do a rainbow. I've been wanting to, but I've been really nervous because that's colorful. But today I decided to go for it, and I kind of like it. I think it turned out good. So if you want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. Okay, so I have been wanting to do a rainbow look for a little while now, and I've just been really nervous to try. So today is the day I'm gonna go for it. So I'm gonna use my Color Workshop little rainbow looking palette and this neutral looking palette for a transition shade. And yeah, let's get started. I think I'm going to use that color as a transition shade. So yeah, let's do it. So if you hear any banging or any noise, I can't even see that transition shade. You know what? We're gonna go into this one right next to it. We're gonna use that instead. Just let me even this side out. Just so it's even. Okay, so now we're gonna use that shade. If you hear any noise, talking, anybody like coming in and out, my husband is home from work trying to fix our water situation. It started leaking, so now we gotta stop the leak, and it's a whole big nightmare. And always before we get our taxes, shit happens. So always right before we actually have money. The universe works in funny ways. Okay, so I actually want to use like a lipstick for the red, because this doesn't really have red. It has pink and this brownish, but there's like no red. So I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild lipstick, and I'm going to use that in the crease. Ooh, I'm nervous. Just to get that like red color, because I do not have a red shadow. I need to invest in a red shadow. Works though. Let's try the other finger. Blend it out with your finger. And then we'll go in and see if we can blend it a little more with a brush. Not too shabby. Put a little more. Oh no, not that much more. There we go. Oh, that much more. I just put it in the wrong spot, really. Okay, there we go. Now it's looking more even. My eyes aren't even, so. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with a little blending brush and see if we can't just kind of blend that out a little better. That looks good, right? Okay, I think it looks good. So I think we'll use that same brush, and we're gonna go into the we're gonna go into this orangey shade, and we're gonna put that, I feel too far away, and we're gonna put that in the inner corners. I think that's about as orange as it's gonna get. unless I have another orange, but I don't want to go through like 13 palettes trying to get an orange. We'll see how it turns out. If I have to find another palette, I will, but right now we're going to leave it at that and move on to the next color. So now we're going to go into, grab another crease brush. Okay, we're going to go into this yellow. We're going to put that right next to the orange. We know how the rainbow goes, don't we? Ugh. I might have to wet these shadows. I don't know why they just aren't working for me today. Oh, maybe it's, I used Shape Tape for my primer. Maybe it has something to do with that. Or, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go in and wet the brushes. If I want some color payoff, I think, oh, let me try my finger first. It's a little better, but I still think wet would work better. Yeah, I need to wet it. It's just gonna have to be wet. I'll start with the orange again. We'll try to wet the orange too. Maybe that'll work better. I think that's too wet. That works a little. I don't know. Hopefully it works better on the yellow. Oh, there we go. I just had to really stamp it on. Okay, now let's go into the yellow. Wet the brush. Okay. There we go. Now we got some yellow. Yay! Okay. We're gonna go into, man, I'm using a lot of brushes. We're gonna go into this green right there. We're gonna try it dry first, because I'm not sure how pigmented the green is. I don't want it too dark. Oh, there we go. I might wet it a little, because maybe not. Build it. There we go. Look, that green works well. I'm so excited right now because this is working. Yay. All right. Now we're going to go underneath. We're going to go in with this blue. I just cleaned off this brush. We're going to use it for the blue. That is a bright blue. Let's see if it actually goes on that bright. Oh. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Boom. All right. We're going to use the same brush. We're going to wipe it off on the paper towel. We're going to go into this purple. Purple. And we're going to put that right next to the blue. You know how the rainbow goes. I think I want to put a little more red in the crease. I feel like that's more like it's not showing up as much. We're gonna do that. Oh yeah. I haven't used this one yet. We'll use this to blend out the red. And go take the brush we used for the yellow, and we're going to blend the yellow into the orange and green. Gonna blend it in a little better. Use a transition shade brush, dip into the transition shade a little bit, and kind of blend out this red up here. It looks too rough. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. Let me see if I can find, here it is. And this Unicorn Tears liquid highlighter. This white liquid highlighter. We're gonna put it right in the corner. Ooh, yeah. Put that in a little with my finger. That was pretty intense. So brighten up our rainbow a little. And we're also going to put it under the brow. Okay, we need eyeliner. For the top, I'll use black. That is really intense right there. There we go. Okay, and for the bottom, I'm gonna use white in the waterline. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to pop on lashes, do my concealer, bronzer, blush, and I'll be back. So, this is the final look. I'm really kind of proud of myself. That actually looks really good, and I was super nervous to do rainbow colors, but I kind of like it, guys. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments. If you do like it, hit the like button. Don't forget, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all my future videos. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as they go up and be a part of the notification nation. And don't forget to click the link in the description box and head on over to my Facebook page. There you will see future looks, past looks, and after I get enough people, I will do lives, and there I will have Q&A questions, so I can do Q&A video later on in the future. So yeah, click that link, head on over, like that page, and show it some love. And yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you tune in for future videos, and I also hope you have a great day. Bye.